your body. You know, start googling around now, me represent JJ Everfest. Tell somebody that it's a party. Yeah. Tonight, I'ma live it how I like.
Yeah, big and bad, straight up to the time. Yes, I wonder. Blessed morning to all of my Facebook friends, Instagram, YouTube. Straight, you don't know the big boss. Ah, man. Yeah. You got me put to watch out, so it no matter if you have party or you have fun or anything where you just make sure that you have God in it and you bless it and before you start it. So much. Yeah. Up to the time. Yeah. I mean, I say, Mama P, you're gonna miss you. Yeah, straight. I just saw the things that you tell me, I say. You come right to the end. Never switch, never buy out. You tell me, I say. Up to the time. Yeah, big up all the young people. Big up all the girls that have the pussy now. Straight. Big up all the big girls, girls and the big breast girls. Cute face girls. Yeah, but know so you're clean inside out. Yeah, not girls. Straight. Big up all the people that love being and keep themselves clean. Up to the time, you don't know one time now, but all bad mind people, you tell me I say. You need to check out my tune man. YouTube, when I say, them say them clean, big tune, straight, up to the time, I man, you know, see it there.
Ladies with a yasso, the drinks them the yasso. We make some man a eyeball man, so I was up. My pocket full of money, let me just win lotto. Let them know how we have the bread like gato. Party time now, that a free matter. That one I got you, nobody not turn up like that.